Hello everyone, this is GOOFIT product show. There are two motorcycle carburetors. Their manifold intake diameter are all 20mm. The difference is air intake inner diameter. One is 15mm, the other is 12mm. They are all fit for Pushmax Moped, Pushmax Sport, Puch Magnum Moped, Puch Magnum MK and the second, Puch Cobra, 50cc engines. The carburetor is made of high-quality metal, which is high hardness and good strength, providing reliable performance and long service time. Simple installation process, practical and convenient to use. There is also a nice GOOFIT keychain in the package. Please follow us on Facebook. You can also click product links below. Don't forget to subscribe our GOOFIT YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.